Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna make the perfect fresh pasta. So many people ask me about that, always about the timing, the quantities, and as I'm Italian, sometimes I'm literally blind to understand what you guys need. So please send everything my way so I understand what you're challenging with and what your needs are, so I can make this kind of video for you. And if you find it interesting and loving it, please share it with your network. Tip 1. Get your pot large. Remember, there are not this kind of pots. This is kind of porridge pot. So get your beautiful pasta pot, rustic, and boiling the water. Make sure that the water reaches the top of the pot. Be generous. And remember to cover your pot with your lid. Can you actually see that? Yeah. So you speed up the process and you waste less energy. Save the planet. Tip 2. Choose the right sale grosso, sea flakes, salt. So how much? 30 grams, but actually depends what kind of salt you put into your pasta water, right? My salt might be different than yours, is always what I say. But remember, about 30 grams, it should taste like my Mediterranean sea water. And when added, only when it boils. Why? We don't want to ruin any kitchen equipment, so we want the water, the salt dissolves pretty quickly. Tips 3. Don't leave your station, your pasta station, and also make sure that when you throw the pasta into your boiling water, you can turn the hob off. Yes, you heard it right. You know why? Because it's the heat of the boiling water that actually is going to cook my pasta, and not the boiling process of water boiling. And a tip for saving energy and planet. Tip 4. Cook it for 2-3 minutes and drain it. Why? We want to have our pasta cooked in our saucepan together with our sauce. And we want it al dente, right? Tip 5. We want our pasta creamy, so make your pasta creamy. So put it in your pan together with your pesto and the remaining pasta. Then keep your water pasta inside a cup and pour it. And as you can see here, the sauce is firming, but I took it off the hot hob. Add more olive oil and keep it cooking it. Remember, 2-3 minutes into the hot water, then you drain it, you put it in your pan, and you give it a stir together with your pesto and the pasta water. Tip 6. Keeping on using what is left over. In this case, I'm using my macro herbs and my edible flowers already dried, and I put it to adorn, to make my pasta looking beautiful and colorful. And a little bit of pepper. Up to garden my beautiful pasta.